Hello, I'm Michael E. Gerber, the author of The E-Myth, the New York Times mega bestseller that secured me the title of the world's #1 small business guru, according to Inc. magazine. As someone who has helped hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of entrepreneurs build, systemize, grow, and scale their businesses, I know a thing or two about what separates truly successful businesses from the ones that aren't. I'm known for saying over and over and over again that your business is only as good as the systems you've built to make it run like a well-oiled machine. That's the difference between a McDonald's franchise and a no-name burger joint that gets shut down a few months after it opens. But there is one other aspect, the importance of which many entrepreneurs don't realize until it's much too late. No business can be successful long-term unless it has trademarked its brand. The reason McDonald's can sell its franchises around the world is not because McDonald's makes the most delicious or the most nutritious burgers on the planet. They don't. The reason McDonald's is so successful is that they have a legally worldwide monopoly on the use of their brands. Nobody can start a restaurant and call it anything that even remotely resembles the name McDonald's, or serve burgers that are called anything close to Big Mac. The point is, you can make great profits selling your products or services today, but if you don't own your brand, then you don't have a business that's set up for lasting success. At best, it's temporary until someone copies you and eliminates your competitive advantage. So you, hear me, must make sure that you're not just using a brand that someone else can steal, but that you actually own it. And the only way to make sure you own your brand is to trademark your brand before somebody else does. So if you're building a business that you hope will be successful one day, don't even waste 1 minute. Protect its brand right away. Because taking ownership of your brand isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. So when starting a business, securing your trademarks should be at the top of the things you do first. And I mean day one. You can tell anybody and everybody you know that Michael Gerber told you that. That's why I want to give a big shout out to Trademark Factory for offering trademarking services with a guaranteed result for a guaranteed budget. You don't need to worry about paying attorneys by the hour. Nor is it one of those online trademark filing services that gets the process started for a couple of $100 and leaves you out in the cold when things get complicated, as they almost always do in close to 80% of the cases. Trademark Factory will take care of everything from start to finish for one fixed fee. And you will either get your brand trademarked or you'll get a full refund. If you want your trademarks done right, check out Trademark Factory. With their flat fee that covers everything from start to finish and their 100% money-back guarantee, Trademark Factory's offer is a no-brainer. And that's no myth. This is Michael Gerber speaking to you from Carlsbad, California. Get your trademark done today.